Hi everybody, Dr. Sue from Synergy Chiropractic and Bodywork in Austin, Texas. Next stage in our low back pain survival guide is putting on pants and socks with the bed, okay? So if you're trying the wall version and it just doesn't work, or you have to put on socks or stockings and you just, it's so excruciating. If you're having low back pain, I don't have to tell you that. You can use the bed. First thing you want to do is get everything you need before you get started. We're going to start already with some pants on because this is a family show. But you need to have your underpants, your socks, and your pants ready to go and nearby. Okay? So what we're going to do, if I sit on the bed this way, it hurts. If I sit on the bed and roll back, it really hurts. So we're going to do kind of a diagonal roll. We're going to use our elbow. So I'm going to sit on this side of my hip. I'm going to kind of roll diagonal and onto my back. And I can do that with no pain, okay? I'm going to show you that again in reverse. Boom, boom, boom. That's how you get in and out of the bed, and we'll go over that in more detail. But I want to get kind of diagonal on one hip and slide that arm out, okay? The first part of getting dressed is actually socks, okay? Once I have my pants on, socks are really hard to put on. So we're going to start with socks. We have some great socks with unicorns on them. I'm a special unicorn. We're going to start there. Again, if I was standing or sitting and I brought my knee up like this, it would really hurt my low back. But laying like this, I can do it pretty easily. Okay, so I can use my other leg to prop my foot up. I can get that sock on. Boom, good to go. All right, let's grab the other side. Boom, so we've got socks on. All right, then, assuming that you didn't have drawers on already, you'd be putting them on here. We're going to skip that step. Okay, same thing. I can get my pants on here. And here, I can't pull them up all the way, but pull them up high enough that you can reach them pretty easily once you stand up. Same thing getting out of the bed. Roll to your side. Be careful when you're rolling, when your back is really, really hurting. This twisting motion where my hips and my shoulders move separate from each other is going to make you cry. My back's a little better this week, so it's not so bad, but be really careful with twisting as you roll. Sometimes you have to reach around, grab your shoulder and your hip and roll together like a log. Get to your side, get this top arm here on the table, get your shins off the table, and you're going to sit up to the side like so. Stand up, take your time. Sometimes putting weight on your feet makes your back take a second, and then you can shimmy sham those pants all the way on. Boom, ready to start your day.